Hi everyone, welcome to Alighting. This is Mandy. Do you know what is smart system? Now we launched a smart magnetic system and it is called Smart Tuya system. And in today's video, I will show you the function of Tuya first. Okay, now we already connect the Tuya app with the light. You can see the effect. Turn on, turn off. You can control the brightness. And you can also control the color temperature. Now, do you have a basic understanding of our Smart Tuya system? Are you interested in it? If you are interested, please follow me, and in the following video, I will show you the specific operation of Tuya. See you next time.